Welcome back everyone. It's time for an unboxing video. I'm not sure what's happened here. Maybe the postman wanted to see what was in my package. Because someone's had a peek. So maybe it just wasn't packaged properly to begin with. Let's have a look. Sticking with the Parkside 12 volts theme. The last one I did on the multi-tool got quite a lot of views, so I thought I could do one of these. Plus the fact it was only 25 quid, so it doesn't come with a battery or a charger, but that's what it looks like. 12 volt cordless circular saw. Okay, don't want to open. Where's that one? Oh, because there's a tag on it, look. Oh. Not sure where that went. Oh, that's not bad. Fucking hell, that's heavy. Just turn it around so you can see the blade. Blade's already in it. Dust extraction in the box. You've got the instructions, but we're not interested in them. And the crush saw, does this actually work though? Oh, it does work. I have got some batteries coming, so when I unbox the next tool, which I've got, Parkside, I'll test them all for you. I'll show you them all working. But this is friggin' heavy for the size of that motor for a 12 volt. But I'm happy with that. 25 quid. Can't go wrong. And there you have it. Parkside 12 volt cordless circular saw. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.